I first discovered Scentsy back in 2011. Some of my friends had it in their house and I walked in and all I smelled was French toast. And right away I said, what is that? My name is Chelsea. I am a Superstar Director with Scentsy. What really encouraged me to join Scentsy was because I got put on bed rest when I was pregnant with our second child. My husband actually encouraged me. He came home and he was like, hey, I think you'd be great at it. And from there, we started it. I got excited. I shared my kit. And then just shortly after, maybe like a week and a half, 2 weeks after that, we ended up losing our son at 17 weeks pregnant. So that was a really dark time. My business immediately got put on the back burner. I became very vulnerable. Society makes it very hard to be vulnerable, but sometimes you just have to be brave and give someone else that opportunity to open up their heart to hope. We've had a lot of obstacles thrown our way the last 7 years between losing our son, moving all over the world, and then almost losing my husband back in November to an accident, a near drowning accident, which led to him being in the ICU, which led to us finding out about the brain cancer. At the end of the day, I'm just very thankful that he's here, I'm here, my kids are healthy, and that we do live an amazing life. And unfortunately, we don't have our son, but we gained a daughter.
When we were younger, she was very outgoing, very social. One of those things that kind of drew me to her, and I wanted to see her become Chelsea again.
I couldn't imagine if we didn't have Scentsy and dealing with brain cancer and not having that flexibility to just go to appointments with him and make sure that my kids are taken care of on top of that. And I couldn't see our life any other way. If somebody was wanting to join my team and they were still on the fence, I would say your circumstances aren't going to change unless you make the change. And if it's because they're scared, we're all scared. I was petrified to hit that join button with the little bit of money that we had in our bank account. But I had to put my hope or my faith into something bigger than me. And in return, it's been amazing. You're not alone. I always tell people, you know, there's a seat at our table for everybody. It's just one big family, and it's family that you get to choose to have in your life, and I think that's what makes it better.